I'm Stephen Fechino, Engineering and Construction Manager for Mortar. Today I'm going to show you how to install an outside corner for the TotalFlash panel and the TotalFlash roll system. That includes the metal drip edge. The first thing I'm going to do is show you the components that we're going to work with today. The stainless steel corner is a preformed single piece of stainless steel, and it's hemmed. It fits nicely into the corner. The second item we're going to use today will be the PVC pre-molded corner boot that is 14 inches tall. This is the industry's tallest boot. It goes all the way to the top of your flashing, so you don't have to use any kind of intermediate pieces of flashing. This boot will need to be trimmed, so we'll cover that in a second. The two tools I'm using today is I'm going to use a caulk gun and a pair of shears. It's that simple. The first step of the installation is to take the preformed stainless steel corner and apply a bead of sealant to the bottom side of it so we can get a good secure connection to the brick shelf. Once I have that bead of sealant in place, I'll go ahead and set it right into the corner. Now that our preformed stainless steel corner is in place and set in sealant, I'm going to show you how to install the PVC corner boot. In addition to the PVC, Mortar also offers a TPO, which stands for Thermoplastic Polyolefin material. TPO has been around in the roofing industry for years. What makes this material especially nice is it's very durable, it will not break down, and the joints can be heat welded. The first step in installing the corner boot is to make sure it fits properly on the corner. So what we have to do is on this one, we're going to have to trim it a little bit along the edges to make sure it doesn't stick out beyond the face of the brickwork. So I'm going to go ahead and trim it now. I only have to take off about 1/4 inch all the way on two sides. Just basically trim it with a pair of shears. It's important to dry fit it before you put the sealant underneath it. It's going to fit just like I want it to fit. So now I just need to put a bead of sealant around the inside perimeter of the boot. Once you have that, you go ahead and set it into place. As I set this, I want the sealant to ooze out a little bit. I want to make sure I really have a good joint all the way through. Just taking a little bit of this excess before I grab a rag and taking my scraps from where I trim the corner boot, and I'm just going to go use those as a tool to get rid of the material. I'm going to grab a rag real quick, clean this up, and I'll be ready to lay brick on this corner. And that's all there is to it. I'm Stephen Fechino. Thanks for watching MortarNet TV.